How to make a game pass in Roblox, please donate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own game pass so that you can start accepting donations. So to get started with making a game pass and please donate, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you get to roblox.com, log into your account and then go up to the top menu and select Create. Once it brings you to the Creator Hub, go to the top menu and select Dashboard. And then that will bring us down to our creations. And all we need to do here is select an experience. By default, all Roblox players have an experience, so go ahead and click one. Just make sure that it says public right here. Once you select your experience, go on the left menu and scroll down to monetization setting and select passes. Now that we're under passes, to create a game pass, select create a pass. And then the first thing we can do is upload an image that people will be able to see when they buy our game pass. I'm just going to do a logo. Keep in mind, this will be moderated. So you just want to make sure that it's nothing that is inappropriate. After that, you can give it a name that'll help people identify it, and then a description. Once you're done doing that, select create pass at the bottom. And then as you can see, our new game pass is here. If you see this icon, that means that the image is being moderated. Once you've created the game pass, go ahead and select it again. And then with it selected, go in the left menu here and select sales. So now we just need to list that game pass for sale so that we can accept donations when people buy it. So to do that, toggle on item for sale. And then we have to set a price. Now keep in mind that you will only get 70% of this because Roblox keeps the other 30%. So if I sell it for 10 Robux, I'm only going to get 7 Robux because Roblox will keep 3 of those. So keep that in mind, set your price and select save changes now with the item for sale. If we go back to passes, you can see that it is now for sale. Go back to Roblox, go into please donate. Now when I go up to an unclaimed stand and claim it by holding E, you can see that my new game pass is right there. Game pass with my game pass logo. Alright, so that's how you make a game pass. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.